Hi guys, welcome to Me and Maths. Guys, in this video we will do class 7 chapter 2 fractions and decimals exercise 2.1. Let's get started. The first question is solve 2 minus 3 by 5. So if you observe this question here, 2 is a whole number, 3 by 5 is a fraction. It means we have to remove this fraction from the whole number. So how we can do it? Let's see here. So I will show you this one by using cross multiplication method. Here you can use the LCM also, but I am solving this by using cross multiplication method. Let's see here. So our first step is change this whole number 2 into a fraction. Just write 1 in the denominator, so it changes into fraction. Then again minus 3 upon 5. The next step is multiply the denominators. I repeat, multiply the denominators. 1 into 5. The next step, cross multiply the numbers. Here numerator into denominator. Cross multiply the numbers. Here numerator into denominator. I will write here 2 into 5 like this. Then here we have the minus in the question, so just put minus. Then again next we have to cross multiply from the right side, numerator to denominator. I repeat, again cross multiply from the right side, numerator into denominator. So here numerator is 3, next denominator is 1. So like this is called the cross multiplication method. Then just to multiply the numbers here, 2 into 5 is 10, 3 into 1 is 3, by 1 into 5 is 5. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 upon 5. So 7 upon 5 is the answer. You can change this into mixed fraction also. I hope you know how to change we can change this answer into mixed fraction like this by dividing here. So my answer is here 1 2 upon 5. This answer is in mixed fraction. Okay guys, let us do the next one here, 4 plus 7 upon 8. So this one also same. First I am changing this 4 into fraction form like this, just writing 1 in the denominator, then 7 upon 8. What is the next step here? The next step we have to multiply the denominators, 1 into 8. Then again cross multiply the numerator and denominator from the left side. First multiply 4 into 8. Then after we have the plus sign in the question, just write here plus addition. Then again cross multiply from the right side, 7 into 1. Okay guys, clear? Then again next we have to do some simplification calculation here, then you will get the final answer. 4 into 8 is, the answer is 32, plus 7 into 1 is 7 upon 1 into 8 is 8, equal to 32 plus 7. What is the answer here? Yes, you are correct. The 32 plus 7 is 39, 39 upon 8. So this is the answer. You can change this answer into mixed fraction also. You can write the answer in mixed fraction. Okay guys, let us do the next question. Question number 3. Here 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. So here the two numbers both are in fraction form. We no need to change any number into fraction form. Already we have the fraction form. Then let us do the first step. What is the first step here? Multiply the denominators. 5 into 7. Then again cross multiply the numbers from left side. 3 into 7. Numerator into denominator. Then again in the question we have the plus sign, just use here plus sign. Then again cross multiply from the right side, that is numerator into denominator. Here numerator is 2 into 5. Let us do some calculation here. So 3 into 7 is 21, plus 2 into 5 is 10, divided by 5 into 7 is 35. Now this answer is 21 plus 10, the answer is 31 upon 35. Okay guys, let us do the next question. 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. So here also we can use the cross multiplication method. The first step is multiply the denominators. Here the denominators are 11 into 15. Then after cross multiply the numbers, numerator into denominator from the left side, 9 into 15. Then we have the minus in the question, just put here minus. Then multiply from the right side, the cross multiplication, numerator into denominator like this, 4 into 11. So let us do the calculation here. So 9 into 15, the answer is 135. Yeah, 135 minus 4 into 11 is 44. Then 11 into 15, first let us do 10 into 15. 10 into 15 is 150. Then 15 into 1 is 15. 150 plus 15, the answer is 165. Then 135 minus 44, 5 minus 4 is 1, 13 minus 4 is 9, 91 by 165. So this is the answer, 91 upon 165. So this is about the cross multiplication method. Here you can use the LCM also, the answer will be the same. In the next question I will show you how to do the LCM, how to use that LCM. Okay guys, let us do the next question. Question number 5. 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. These all three numbers are in fraction. Let us do. So here we have the three fraction, right? So here I will show you the LCM method, how we can use the LCM here. So first we have to do the LCM of the denominators. Here 10, 5, 2. Now I am taking the 2 table. 2 into 5 is 10. So in 2 table 5 is not there, so simply write here 5. 2 ones are 2. Then after here 5, then 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 as it is here. So 2 into 5, what is the answer here? So 2 into 5 is 10. So here 10 is the LCM. Then here we have got the LCM here 10. So guys, we have to make all these denominators same like the LCM. We have to make all this number equal to the LCM 10. Let us do it. So the first fraction is 7 upon 10. So already we have the 10 in the denominator. This is matching with the LCM. So here no need to do anything, no changes. Then you can multiply here 1 and here also 1. 10 into 1 is 10. Then here 2 upon 5. Then here we have to multiply. Now search for the number. What number we should multiply here to get the LCM 10? So if I multiply here 2, then I will get the LCM 10. So the same number multiplied to the numerator. Then again 3 upon 2. So multiply here. Here don't use any addition or subtraction, just we have to use the multiplication. So here we have the 2. Then how we can get the 10 here? In 2 table 10, how will get? If I multiply 5 here, then I will get the LCM 10. Then here also I should multiply here 5. We have to make all the denominators that equal to the LCM. That is why we are doing here some multiplications. So 5 into 2 is 10, 2 into 5 is again 10. What you are multiplying in the denominator, the same number you should multiply in the numerator. Don't use any other number here 2 and sometimes here 3, 4, like not like that. What you are using, which number we are multiplying in the denominator, the same number you should multiply to the numerator. So here also same, 2 into 5 is 10, the same 5 is multiplied in the numerator. Let us do here. So 7 upon 10 plus 2 into 2 is 4 upon 5 into 2 is 10. So 4 upon 10, 3 into 5 is 15, 2 into 5 is 10. Now guys, see here we got all the denominators same like LCM, right? We can call this one as the like fractions. So we can easily add this like fraction. So just write here 10, then add all the numerators, 7 plus 4 plus 15. So 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 15 is 26. So answer is 26 by 10. Further you can simplify this number, here 2 5s are 10 and here 2 into 13. So our final answer is what here? 13 by 5. This is the simplest form. Actually we got the answer here 26 by 10. Then you can write this answer in the simplest form just by simplifying. So I divide these two numbers with the two table. 2 5s are 10, 2 13s are 26. So my answer is, the final answer is 13 by 5. So guys, in this way you can use the LCM and solve the fractions very easily. The main important point is here, make the denominators same, then you will get the answer very easily. Okay guys, let us do the next question. The sixth one, 2 upon 3 plus 3, 1 upon 2. So here we have the mixed fraction. Let us change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. I hope you know how to change the mixed fraction into proper fraction. Let us see here. First what we should do here 3 is there in denominator, just simply write here 3. Then again multiply this whole number with the denominator. 2 into 3, or you can say 3 into 2, these both are same. Add the numerator 2. Like this we can change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let us change here also. So just write here 2 in the denominator, the same number, then multiply these 2 denominator into whole number plus numerator, that is 1. I repeat, change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first multiply here whole number into denominator. So 2 into 3, then next add the numerator to this answer. So here also same, first multiply the whole number with the denominator, then add this numerator to this answer. 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 is what here, 6 plus 2 upon 3 plus 6 plus 1 upon 2. The final answer is what here, 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. So this is the improper fraction. Now we have to add this improper fraction. The same our cross multiplication method, or you can use the LCM here. So first I am multiplying 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is what here, 6. I am writing here directly. Then 8 into 2, how much here, 16 plus, then cross multiply from right side numerator into denominator. 7 into 3 is 21. Then this answer is what here, 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3, 37 by 6. You can change this into mixed fraction. I hope you know how to change into mixed fraction. Let us see here. Here 6, here 37. 6 into 6 is 36. So remainder is 1. So write here denominator same, then here 6 1 by 6. So here is the quotient, here is the remainder, then here is the divisor. So guys, you can change this improper fraction into mixed fraction in this way. Then write this quotient 6 here, then 1 remainder here, then down here 6 the denominator, then this is the answer. Okay guys, let us solve the last one, the seventh one. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 upon 8. So we have the mixed fraction here. So our first step is change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let us change this. Now I am doing here directly. Here already I show you how to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 into 8, 2 into 8 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17 upon 2 minus 3 8 is 24, 24 plus 5, the answer is 29 upon 8. Then guys, the next step is multiply the denominators. 2 into 8 is 16. Okay, then next again here. Okay, next cross multiply here. 7 into 8 is 136 minus 29 into 2 is answer is 58. Okay guys, clear? Then here is the 16, just to subtract the numerators. 136 minus 58. So answer is 136 minus 58 is 6 minus 8, answer is 78. Okay, 78 by 16. Now here we can write this answer in the simplest form. So I am dividing this numerator and denominator with 2. I am simplifying these two numbers with the help of the 2 table. So 2 8s are 16, the next 2 3s are 6, 1 is left 18, 2 9s are 18. So answer is what here, 39 upon 8. So this is the answer, 39 upon 8. Again you can change this improper fraction into mixed fraction just by dividing like this, then you can write the answer. So if you divide this one, I got the mixed fraction like this, 4 7 upon 8. So this is the mixed fraction final this is the mixed fraction final answer. Guys, you can do this question with the help of the LCM also. You can take the LCM of 2 and 8, then you can start doing the solution. First you change this mixed fraction into improper, then do the LCM of 2 and 8, then you can solve the question very easily. Okay guys, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to like, share and give a comment. Comment motivates me to make the more videos. And finally, don't forget to subscribe me and Maths. Until then, see you, bye bye.